Okay, so today we're going deep on something pretty cool, I think.
Yeah.
It's this video game. It's called Math vs. Bat.
Oh,
And
yeah, I've heard of this one.
yeah, it seems like it's making like a real splash, like with teachers and even like with
Gamers, right.
gamers. Yeah, like hardcore gamers, which is interesting.
Yeah.
So I thought it'd be cool to like really dig into, like why is it working? Why is this game like actually helping kids learn math? What's the secret sauce? And we've got some like really cool sources on this, interviews with the game creators, some articles about how it's being used in classrooms, even like some forum posts from gamers.
Nice. Yeah. It's a pretty wild concept, like
Yeah.
at first glance.
It's like you're in this shooter game, but instead of guns,
You're shooting math problems.
you're solving math equations to like zap these bats that are coming at you.
Yeah, it's like solve 8 times 7 before the bat bites your face off.
Exactly.
It's like a very visceral, immediate kind of pressure.
Yeah, and I think that's what the game designer was going for.
Yeah.
Right.
Right.
Like, he wanted to make something that didn't feel like you were sitting down to do a math worksheet.
Yeah, like make it fun.
Yeah, make it fun, make it exciting, and it sounds like it works. Like,
Well, they're saying like if you get the answers wrong,
more bats come at you, right?
more bats, yeah, you get swarmed.
So you have to, like, think fast.
You got to level up your multiplication tables.
Yeah, and there's like actual proof. Like they talked to this 5th grade teacher who said after just 1 week of using the game in her class,
Yeah.
test scores went up by like 20%.
Wow, that's significant.
That's huge. And, it makes me think like maybe it's not just about making math fun, but like using that stress that like, oh my gosh, the bats are coming,
Right.
to actually like sear those multiplication facts into your brain.
They call it desirable difficulty.
Yeah.
Like your brain learns best when it's challenged but not overwhelmed.
That makes sense. Okay, so we've got like kids actually learning math, which is amazing.
Yeah.
But here's the thing that I thought was like super interesting.
Right.
They're these gamers,
Yeah.
like serious gamers who are like speedrunning Math vs. Bat.
Speed running math problem.
I know, right? It's crazy. So they're like competing to see who can like solve the problems and zap the bats the fastest.
It's like fastest solve plus headshot kind of thing.
Yeah, and the current world record is like 47 problems in 1 minute,
Wow.
which is insane. Like, that's not just like basic math competency anymore.
No, that's mastery.
Right. And it shows that this game isn't just some like cheesy edutainment thing.
Yeah.
It's actually like a legit game.
It's well designed.
That's fun to play, even if you're not like trying to learn your multiplication tables.
And I think the creator like really knew what he was doing there.
Yeah.
He's talking about like adding power-ups and stuff to keep things interesting.
Like what kind of power-ups?
Like there's one called Infinite Pi. It like freezes time.
Whoa.
So it adds like a strategic element,
Yeah,
right? Like
yeah.
even for experienced players.
That's really cool.
Yeah, and it's also like
He was saying that it's balanced.
Mm.
So it's not too hard for beginners.
right.
It's still challenging for like the more hardcore gamers.
It's like good game design principles, reward the players for learning.
Makes sense, yeah.
Yeah, keep them coming back for more.
It's like positive reinforcement, but like with bats.
Exactly right.
Okay. So speaking of the game's development, there's this like kind of funny story that the creator told
Oh, yeah.
about an early version of the game.
What happened?
So apparently like when you got an answer wrong,
Uh-huh.
the bats would like screech wrong answer at you.
Oh.
I know. And he was joking that it was like giving kids PTSD from Division,
That's hilarious.
which,
kids.
yeah, like some people really struggle with Division. So I can see how that would be like extra traumatic.
No kidding. But you know what I think is really interesting about this whole thing?
What's that?
It's like it's not about grades,
Right.
Like the kids aren't learning math because they're going to get a gold star or something.
It's because they want to survive in the game,
Exactly. It's like intrinsic motivation.
which is way more powerful,
Way more powerful than extrinsic reward.
right? Because you're doing it for yourself,
Exact.
not for like some external validation.
Yeah.
That's really cool. All right. So
Okay.
if you're like me and you're like totally fascinated by this whole Math vs. Bat thing, you can actually find it
Oh, yeah.
on a bunch of different platforms.
Awesome.
And we've got a little bonus for our listeners. The first 10 people to DM us the code word MathGUN
Ooh, a code word.
will get a free unlimited ammo skin for the game.
Nice.
And for any teachers who are listening, the game developer has a special classroom edition
Oh, cool.
with progress tracking and stuff like that. You can find it on their website.
Awesome. So, this whole thing really got me thinking.
About
Like, if this works for math, if you can make math fun and engaging by, like, weaponizing it,
yeah,
what other subjects could you do this with? Like, what about history? or foreign languages, you know? Like, imagine if you could learn Spanish by fighting off, like, a horde of grammar gremlins or something.
That's a great point.
Like, the possibilities are endless.
Yeah, it makes you wonder, like, what if we could make all learning this engaging?
Right. Like, what if we could tap into that intrinsic motivation for every subject?
That would be amazing. All right, well, that's about all the time we have for today, but this conversation has definitely given me a lot to think about, and I hope it has for you too. Thanks for joining us on the Deep Dive,
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
and we'll see you next time.